Hello and welcome back. So today I got a few presents. As you know, we're almost complete with this CNC with everything. Unfortunately, I wish this stuff would have came in before I cut that vacuum table, but it didn't. I now received my dust collector. I just went with a cheaper model for now because I don't really have much room. I'm in a little itty bitty corner here, and on the other side of me are cars. So I just don't have a lot of room in this shop right now. This machine is supposed to be going to a different shop, but because of some circumstances in the world, it's stuck in this garage for right now. So anyway, I'm gonna quick do a box opening and show you what I bought. All right, in my presents packages today, I got my hose clamps, nothing obviously major. And then this box is my hose. So 4-inch hose, that's pretty much all that's in the box. And I'm gonna just drape that right over the top. It's only this machine, so it should be powerful enough for doing that with a 4-inch hose. So the second thing after my hose is this box. So I was gonna 3D print something for this, but I decided that I just don't have the time right now. So what this is my boot to go around the 80 millimeter spindle that I have. So in the box, we have this. Pretty big though. So I'm gonna have to see, but there's the 80 millimeter spindle here. And this device is supposed to pull apart so that you can take the nose off or just spread it open like this. And then get at your bit. And then it's got in here the outer pieces for, the brushes, keeping the dust inside there when it's sucking up, and some bolts and little tiny screws, which are for putting that stuff on. And that's it. That's all that comes in that box. And then finally, in this box is the dust collector itself. So I bought a Wen dust collector. And the reason I picked this one was basically its overall size, and not the amount that it can suck, but mostly the size of it. Just because I don't have a lot of room, I have the vacuum underneath the unit already, so it's going to be hard to get this thing underneath there. But you can mount this on wheels. It comes with 4 wheels, 1 hose clamp, and your on and off button, 4-inch in and out. So my goal is to just mount it on a wall like that. As you can see, it's got the actual slots, so I can just put 2 screws up on a wall, mount it, hang the bag down, and that should be it. And here's the bag that it came with. So should be a nice little unit. It's not going to hold a ton of stuff, but for what I'm doing, this size bag should be sufficient. So that's everything that came in the box. Okay, now that we got everything out of the box, I took this piece. This is the only thing that really needs to be put together. You slide this in there and you put those 6 screws all the way around it. And then on this piece, it's the same thing. It just slides on my 80 millimeter, kind of a snug fit, which is good. I need to clamp it down yet. And the same brushes in the back with just 2 screws holding on there. And like I said, it's designed so that you can snap this off easily when you want to change your blade, change your bit, whatever on there. So you would just pull this off, get at your bit nice and freely. All right, I got it hooked up. This is with it turned on. not actually that loud. You probably still can hear me. 4-inch hose all the way up. I bought an extra hose because I wasn't sure how I was going to mount it. So I just strapped it to that light, which works pretty well. You can see I got it bunched up in the middle and to there. Now I could lower this on the wall and bring it way closer to the bottom. However, I kind of like it up high like that. I can hold a bag underneath it when I unzip the bottom and empty it. But it should work good. I don't know. I kind of like it. It seems to have lots of pressure. As you saw with the paper, it held it up just fine. All right, that's my dust collector setup. Hope it helps someone, and thanks for watching.